It's a vlog about nothing because I need to go to my office to work. I need to focus. I don't wish for anybody to disturb me. So I'm going to 闭关 and do my design. I usually can't do that on weekdays because there are like 10 million messages, 10 million issues to look into. I cannot concentrate. So it's only during weekends that I can do that. But unfortunately, normal people relax on weekends. So I'm like leading a super abnormal life. Zero work-life balance, and I'm not proud of it. But for now, I need to live with it and gradually do something about it. Spend my weekend doing nothing, drinking and not worry about work, playing with animals, like be silly and all. So Aga is like this. But now I can't do any of this shit. So not the happiest person on earth, but it has to be done. Okay, another reason for this vlog, let's specific. Another reason for this vlog is after going 4 times to the petrol kiosk, I finally got the magazine featuring my client's place. Yay! Turn. Okay, very specific. See? I will post on my social media lah. See, another one. Aiyo, these people. See, 1 page, the face. What's up? Wait, got phone call. Sorry. Just now, was somebody called me and inquired about my service. So okay, it's very common. I realized that when prospective clients call me, right, the question they ask me really reflects on their state of mind. And I think many people have very bad experiences prior to this, like bad rental experiences in the past or bad experiences with the ID. Until, right, they will tell me things like, I was so stressed out that time. Voila, I cannot stand my ID, like do nothing one. Or I cannot stand my ID. My ID left me to kaki choose all the things. IDs out there, hello, can y'all not do this kind of thing and sour our names? I mean, designers should design and also help client make decisions that are design related. So don't leave the clients to kaki struggle to decide on materials, to decide on furniture stuff and all that lah, you know. So it disturbs me to hear all these horror stories. Okay, I will not say that all my clients are very happy with me. But then, because things happen along the way, sometimes I don't want it, but let's say things happen and then relationships are soured, clients are not happy, they scold me, blah, blah, blah. But as much as I can help it, right, I will try to minimize all this shit because you think I'm very happy to see an unhappy client, man? No, ma. So this is the worst kind of relationship, working relationship, is when clients are not happy with me. And I am very unhappy about this whole thing because nobody's happy. So for me, my number 1 priority is that everybody be happy with this whole collaboration. Yeah, so it's very important to me. So when I see clients telling me, prospective clients telling me, their previous ID is like what, their friends' ID is like what, it disturbs me quite a bit lah. But you see, the unfortunate thing is like the 猫过马路, you know, the cat trying to cross the street, trying to cross the road. Because nobody told the cat not to again. Then the cat happily crossed the street cross the road. That is very busy with a lot of cars on. Then the cat, then the cat died. So the cat never quite make it back to tell the whole village not to cross the road. Then the next cat comes along, ding, 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 again, want to cross the road. And again, fly, die. So this analogy, right, I'm trying to say, it's like for the cannot make it CMI IDs out there who are either irresponsible or doing very minimal for the clients, right? Eventually they will not run out of business because people who approach them will keep coming They don't know the background story. So it's like the cat the 过马路 cat. Nobody will tell the villagers, the cat villagers. So the cats will keep crossing the road. So the clients, right, will keep going to all these IDs, not knowing the horror stories. That's how they flourish. That's why it's unfortunate but just saying. So as I was saying, somebody is occupying one whole page again, like my previous client. Her face also teng one whole page. I think all these good looking people 就是这样的啦 like 女的美男的帅then it's one page already. Win. Okay, so anyway, I'm very happy to see my client's place being featured. Tang. Yeah, it's like your baby then you see 长大成人 already, then you very proud. Like proud mommy to my clients and proud mommy to their homes. Yeah, so the latest issue. Oh, one more thing. That time when something shitty happened, right, and with 2 followers, and then they started accusing me of a lot of things. One of which is that I bought my magazine features. I'm like, hey, what the shit? I am so close to lifting this finger, but I cannot because the fella also cannot see. So now I will refrain from lifting this finger, but I want to address this issue. Like, if you really want to stoop so low and accuse people of such things, right, you better have evidence to back it up. Because you claim that you're in the industry, but you don't know shit. So I get very offended. You can shoot off your mouth, but if it's not substantiated, right, then it's all lies. Basically, you're pinning yourself with whatever you think you want to be convinced by. And it's not fair to the designer. It's like, okay, please go and ask my clients, ask the magazine, did I pay them to feature all these things? So if you cannot find evidence, right, then the middle fingers will come out already. But I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to keep my middle finger. But yeah, I was very pissed. So for the record, I did not buy the magazine feature. I bought the magazines, but I did not buy the magazine feature. 气死我. Essentially today, I'm just going to piang my design. This one, right, I already have a clear idea of what I want to do. It's just that I've been doing it, but I still need to focus and push it out because it's tricky. I cannot tell you the details as usual, but it's going to be challenging because this theme is not widely done. So, and the space is small. So it's tricky, but that's where the challenge is also. And that's why people approach me and let me do their jobs also because it's not easy. If it's easy, they 随便找一个人做 can already. So it's a gift and it's a curse. Again, Spider-Man's quote, Peter Parker. Yeah, so Yeah, I need to focus. I need to focus. Then I bought McDonald's already, so that I don't need to come out again to eat. I can just sit there and pick one and do my work. Hope to be able to show you some stuff soon but still a long way. Still a long, long way. But it's a start. Once I finish this one, I'll be a happy person, happy girl. Okay, talk to you again. Bye.